Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to make a YouTube short using your iPhone. Let's get started. First open the camera, press on the video to start a video mode, press and hold the red button to start recording. You can record multiple clips in one shot by releasing and pressing again. Keep it under 60 seconds. You can switch the camera, add music or adjust speed using the options on the side. Once your video is completed, you can edit your video from any editing sites, add text, filters or music to make your shot more fun and engaging. Trim clips if needed by dragging the edges of each clips. Once your video is edited, open your YouTube Studio app, tap on the plus icon at the top. From here, tap the video you want to upload, add a title and select visibility, and then tap upload. Your short will be now appear on YouTube and can be discovered by viewers worldwide. And that's all. Now you know how to make a YouTube short on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.